You don't know which way the cat is going to jump. It's absolutely on the wall. And there goes the bell. Okay, it's a slight red tick. About flat is how you can describe the opening. 10 down on the Nifty and about 68, 60 down on the Sensex. But it's fast. I mean, the losses are lessening. The mid-caps are a bright paint of green. The Nifty bank is debilitatingly weak. And I think the weakness is coming from marquee stocks. You know, the top two losers in the Nifty, Kotak Bank and HDFC Bank. So clearly there is a bit of a scare about Bank Nifty generally. It's not obviously weakness in these stocks that's leading to the selling, but something in terms of the Bank Nifty that is being sold off probably. Okay, strong stocks first. The green start for Bharti Infratel, Tata Motors, Adani Ports, BPCL. BPCL Asian Paints you should expect because they are the crude beneficiaries. And then you have DRL, which has been propped up by a very strong buy coming in from Credit Suisse. Then you have Eicher Motors, IndusInd Bank, Sun Pharma, NTPC, Titan. I'm only reading out names which are over 0.5% in the green. And in the red, you have M&M, JSW Steel. Okay, you must expect the metals to be weak. Manisha warned us that Chinese steel prices are indicating very soft behavior today morning. So most of the metal stocks are not doing too well. And then there is Kotak Mahindra Bank, Axis Bank. As I told you, Kotak and HDFC Bank are showing about 1%, half to 1% in terms of weakness. And Axis Bank is also in that queue, about 0.4 down. And then there is ICICI Bank also showing a little bit of weakness, not much. Shree Cement, HCL Tech are among the other stocks that are mildly in the red. But Nifty is flat as flat can get.
Oh, not a bad opening at all. I mean, given the global cues, given the SGX Nifty, this is outperformance that we're seeing. In fact, the mid-cap index is in the green, up almost 0.3%. Vodafone Idea is the big mover, up 10%. Tata Motors DVR is up almost about 5.5%. CG Power has been moving from strength to strength. That one is up almost about 5% right now. Bharti Infratel is up almost about 3.5%. So it's actually a good-looking screen compared to what we've seen globally and from Asia. Ashok Leyland is up almost about 1.5%. So this, the rise in auto stocks continues. Z Entertainment is holding up into the green line now. In fact, all three indices, Sensex, Nifty and mid-caps, are now in the green. The market breadth is also quite good actually, more than 1,000 stocks, 1,050 stocks on the advancing side. On the downside though, future group stocks continue to fall, future retail, future enterprises, future consumer all in the red. Yes Bank a tad bit lower this morning, JSW Steel in the red. But that's it actually, few and far between. A lot of stocks making, fresh 52-week highs. Nalco, something that Nigel was telling us about earlier, is now up almost about 1.5%. And talking about 52-week highs, Granules India, CG Power, AstraZeneca, Supreme Industries are stocks that are sitting at fresh 52-week highs this morning. But otherwise, it's just about stable. So consolidating around that 11,300 mark, Anuj?
Yeah, so I think today the bulls have a bit of a free pass because, like we said, there's no US market later in the day.